Hello gardeners, welcome to my channel. In this video we will talk about gerberas. Gerberas are very popular for their decorations and cut flowers. They have these beautiful shaped flowers that come in a variety of colors and they are not difficult plant to grow. They are perennials, that means if you plant them once you can keep them for many years. They bloom best during spring, early summer and in tropical winters, though some varieties bloom all year long in right conditions. I have three colors, one red, yellow and a magenta. This magenta one blooms all year round in my garden. They are sun-loving plants, so when you grow them, give them enough sunlight. They will flower better if they have good amount of sunlight. In extreme hot weather, give them partial shade, otherwise in right conditions, give them up to 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. They don't grow too big, so they are great for containers. You can choose about an 8-inch container for them to grow well. When you plant them, keep the crown above the soil. This portion where the leaves come out is called the crown of the plant. Don't put soil on top of the crown. If the crown gets damaged, then the plant can die. This portion can get fungus attacks, so always protect it and place it above the ground level so it does not get covered with soil. When you're making the potting mix, choose a well-draining garden soil and add 20 to 40% compost with it. You can add a tablespoon of bone meal and neem cake powder. During growth, you can feed them with liquid mustard cake fertilizer. That will do. And keep them feeding with compost and bone meal time to time. You can add compost and bone meal in a 30 to 40 days interval. They like moist soil, but when watering, remember not to overwater them, because if you overwater, the crown of the plant gets damaged and get fungus attack. So water them when the soil feels dry. Otherwise, keep the soil moist. To keep them safe from fungus attack, spray fungicide powder, and if you have pest problems, then spray neem oil or any other organic pesticides. Remember to deadhead. Deadheading is very important. When the flowers fade, remove them. Remove the entire flower stem to encourage more flowering. And to save the plant all year round, protect them from extreme heat and heavy rain, and if you live in a colder climate, protect it from extreme cold and snow. You can put them under shade in a bright area, and when the blooming season comes, get them out, change the topsoil, add compost, and your plant will be ready to bloom again. That is how I grow them. They are relatively easy plants. These plants can be grown from seed. I have bought small plants from nurseries and they are almost 4 years old. So you can just buy small plants and save them for many years. So grow them and happy gardening. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and post your queries in the comment section. I will see you next time. Bye.